The one thing that has always fascinated me about woodworking is how you can take such a simple and natural looking piece of wood and turn it into something extraordinary that can be used as a functional piece of furniture, an everyday tool, or even a work of art. Wood can come in so many varieties, from the natural live edge slab straight from the tree to building lumber, and in this case, a sheet of plywood that's perfectly engineered flat and symmetrical. My plan for this project is to take that piece of plywood and turn it back into, well, something that's more from its natural state. My name is Ian Black with Black Timber Company, and this is my Rockler Plywood Challenge. After painting the edges black, I then removed the masking tape covering the top of the walnut plywood and applied 3 coats of lacquer, attached my hairpin legs, and called this project complete. Thanks so much to Ben, Chris, and Mike over at the Modern Maker podcast, and of course for Rockler and being the sponsor of this challenge. The funnest part has been seeing how talented everyone is and what one sheet of plywood can be transformed into. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram at Black Timber Company. Thanks, and we'll see you later.